Tired of that confusing instruction manual that looks like a technical book? You're not alone. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to program your LiftMaster garage door remote, no matter if you have a Logic 4.0 or a newer model. No tech talk, no confusing steps, just a simple, quick guide for everyone. I'll even show you a few easy tricks to make sure it works the first time. So, you bought a new garage remote from Amazon. You get this thing in the mail, excited to finally get your garage working, but then they send you this. It looks more like a textbook than a how-to guide, and let's be honest, you probably gave up before you even started. Well, throw that paper away. You don't need it. In the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you a secret that will have you programming this remote faster than you can find your reading glasses. Step 1. Wake up your remote. All right, let's get started. Take your brand new remote and flip it over. See that little button in the middle? You're going to need something to push it. They usually give you this little metal clip, so use that. Just press and hold that little button for about 3 seconds, and the light on the front of your remote will light up. This means it's ready for the next step. Step 2. The 2-tap dance. This is the important part, so listen up. Once the light is on, you're going to press the main button on the front of your remote exactly 2 times. 1 and 2. This means your remote is in programming mode. Then press any other button to release mode. Do not worry, the light will go off. It means you are now ready for the next step. That means the first part of the magic is done. Step 3. Waking up the garage door opener. Now, let's go over to your garage door opener. Look for a button that says RADIO. It might be a little hard to see, but it's right there. Go ahead and press that button once. A little yellow light should turn on next to it. This light is basically saying, "Okay, I'm ready to learn." Once the light turns on, press on your main remote button once, and then press on the radio button a second time to exit programming mode. Step 4. The grand finale. The remote is ready. Now for the last step. Take your remote and press the button on the front one more time. That's it. You're done. The confirmation. Now for the moment of truth. Let's see if all that hard work paid off. Press the button on your new remote one more time and boom! It works. Just like that, you've programmed your new remote without a single confusing manual. I hope this video saved you a headache or two. If it did, please consider giving me a like and subscribing for more easy-to-follow guides. Thanks for watching.